Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, we are learning about writing a book, a wonderful story. Yesterday, we have discussed about hard words from this lesson that are together, bored, exciting, pictures, fairies, otherwise, foolish, pony, ideas, and forms. These are the some of the odd words from this lesson and their meanings we have learned yesterday. Yes, children. So now coming to story, do you ever feel bored? What do you do then? Write down at least two things you do when you feel bored. See, do you ever feel bored? Yes, sometimes everyone may feel bored. Then, what do you do then? If we feel bored, what do we do? Means we do some other works like reading or playing or chit chat with our friends or writing or painting. This way, we do many things when we feel bored. Yes, children. Here, see, write down at least two things you do when you feel bored. So, write a list. What do you do when you feel bored? Understand, children? Now, let us read a short story about three girls who had nothing to do. Yeah, here is the story about three girls. About three girls who had nothing to do. Let us see what happened. Tara, Anika, and Isha were sitting together in the garden. See, Tara, Anika, and Isha. These are the three girls. Yes, children. Tara, Anika, Isha, their names, were sitting together in the garden. Where? In the garden. Yes, children. I am feeling bored, said Tara. Yes. When they were in the garden, first Tara said, what? I am feeling bored. Tara said, what? I am feeling bored. Yesterday we have discussed what? Bored means unhappy. Nothing there to do. Bored. I am feeling bored, said Tara. Next. I am really bored too, said Anika. First said Tara, I am feeling bored. So Anika also said, what? I also feeling bored. I am really bored too. I also feeling bored, said Anika. Let us do something exciting, said Isha. Yeah. Tara, Anika said what? They were feeling bored. Then Isha said, what? Let us do something exciting. We do something. We do something. Who said? Said Isha. They thought for a while. They thought for a while. So they were thinking what to do. Thought a while, short time. Understand, children? Let us write a book, said Isha. After discussing, after thinking, Isha said, what? Let us write a book. Let us write a book. Then, what shall it be about? What shall it be about? Asked Anika. Isha said, what? Let us write a book. Then immediately Anika asked, what shall it be about? Okay, let us write a book. But what about? Understand, children? Yeah. Next. About a fairy, said Tara. So fairy, Fairy, fairy. Yesterday we discussed what fairy means. What? An imaginary person with wings with magical powers. They are not real. So Tara said, we write about a fairy. Write about a fairy. Who said? Said Tara. Then what happened? See. About kings and queens, said Anika. Immediately, Anika said, what? We write about kings and queens. Kings and queens. Even better, said Isha. Let's write about animals. Isha said, even better. What? We write about animals. We write about animals. Who said? Said Isha. Now, we will write about all of them. They said together. Okay, children. So, Anika said one thing, Isha said one thing, Tara said one thing, and finally they decide what? We will write about all of them. About kings and queens, fairies, and everything. Understand, children? Animals, all. We will write about all of them said together. Yeah, next. I need new pencils, Anika said. I can't start till I buy them. Yeah. Finally, they decided to write all of them. Means animals, queens, kings, about fairies, these are. So first of all, Anika said, what? I need new pencils. With me, not there any pencils. I need new pencils. I don't have any pencil. So first I want to buy them, buy the pencils. Till then, I can't start. I need new pencils. And said, I can't start till I buy them. Next. I want lovely pictures in my book, said Tara. I will need a new set of color pens. See, I want lovely pictures in my book, said Tara. Tara said, what? She need what? Pictures. Yesterday we have discussed. Pictures means what? Any drawings, photographs, like that. So these pictures makes the book colorful. Understand, children? That's why Tara said, I want lovely pictures. So I will need a new set of color pens. So I want buy a new set of color pens. With these color pens, I can draw pictures to my book. Who said? Tara said. Now, Isha looked at her pencil box and said, I will start writing with the pencils I already have. I will draw pictures when my story is finished. See, Isha looked at her pencil box and said, yeah, Isha looked her pencil box. She opened a pencil box and saw pencils. So finally, I will start writing with the pencils I already have. She had some pencils already. So with that pencils, I will start my writing. Who said? Said Isha. And finally, I will draw pictures when my story is finished. Understand, children? So I will draw pictures when after finished my story. Understand, children? Next. I don't know how to begin, said Tara. You only read about fairies in storybooks. My exams are next month and I have to study. I can't read any story books now. See, I don't know how to begin, said Tara. Okay, we are discussed and conclude to write about a book about these animals and all. But I don't know how to begin. Who said? Tara said. I don't know how to begin. You only read about fairies in storybooks. So I don't know how to begin. You read. You means here who? Anika and Isha. You only read about fairies in storybooks. My exams are next month and I have to study. Tara said, what? My exams are next month. I have to study. Otherwise, I will fail in that examinations. So, I don't write now. Understand, children? So, I can't read any storybooks now because I have to read my textbook, my study books, because my exams are next month. Understand, children? So I can't read. You only read. You only read about fairies in storybooks. So I can't read any storybooks now. Understand, children? Yeah, this is what some of the story from writing a book. So tomorrow we will continue this story. Understand, children? So read this story again till we have discussed today. Understand, children? Thank you.